Okay, good morning, my dear student, and namaste to all my parents. Okay, my dear student, today I am presented in front of you with this new lesson. It is this last lesson of Unit 4, that is role played by international organization. Okay, the role played by international organization. Okay, this is the last lesson of Unit 4. Okay, that there are many more international organizations who are actively working in the sectors of Nepalese society as well as in all over the world. Such international organizations included in our lesson, in our curriculum, they are Red Cross Society, similarly Scout and SOS, Save Our Soul. Okay, हाम्रो आत्माको रक्षा गर्नुहोस्, that the meaning of Save Our Soul. Okay, soul, yes. So let's begin. Okay, our topic today, that is international organization. The first one is Red Cross Society. Okay, the Red Cross Society, actually this is this international organization, okay, established by Jane Henry Dunant, who is the founder of Red Cross Society, or the picture mostly asks in group A about the figure, about the photo, okay, of this Jane Henry Dunant. It is given in this book. My dear student, you must have to turn the page at the home and try to recognize who is Jane Henry Dunant. Such types of the questions are very important for examination point of view. The Jane Henry Dunant, actually he is the Swiss citizen from the Switzerland, and Red Cross Society established, Red Cross Society was established on 1863. The date is very important, okay, and it is established in the Nepal in 2020 BS. When was Red Cross Society established in Nepal? Such types of the questions are very important for examination point of view. It is established in Nepal in 2020 BS, means 1963. In context to Nepal, it is established in 2020, means that in 1963 in Nepal. Okay, such date are very important, and figure or the picture or the photo of this Jane Henry Dunant you must have to recognize. Okay, so that my dear student, lever hard from this home level. Okay, the Jane Henry Dunant, he is the Swiss citizen from the Switzerland, and it is established on 1863. Okay, he is the Swiss citizen, and the Red Cross Society have this different name in different nation according to this religion. The Red Cross Society, especially in the Islamic nations, okay, in this Muslim nation, they are recognize the Red Cross Society by the name Red Crescent. है मुस्लिम राष्ट्रहरूमा द रेड क्रस सोसाइटीलाई रेड क्रिसेन्ट भनेर चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि बुझिन्छ. एन्ड सिमिलरली इन दिस इजरायल, ओके, इजरायलमा चाहिँ रेड क्रस सोसाइटीलाई के भनिन्छ भने रेड क्रिस्टल, ओके. एन्ड इन कन्टेक्स्ट टु Nepalese history, the Red Cross Society was established in 2020 BS, means that in 1963. Okay. The question may be asked you that what are these major function, major activities, okay, major objectives of this Red Cross Society. Like this question may be asked you in this examination. Okay, so let's discuss that. It provide the food, cloth, shelters, pure drinking water supply, as well as the basic health service. These are the service of this Red Cross Society in various nations. Okay, first. And it also run this blood transfusion services, blood donation program, as well as the ambulance service to this needy people, injured people, victimized people from this natural calamities or this natural disaster. दैविकीय प्रकोपहरू जस्तो ल्यान्डस्लाइड, अर्थक्वेक, हुरिकेन्स, ओके, साइक्लोन्स, यस्तो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि दैविक प्रकोपमा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि बाट दुःख पाएकाहरूलाई चाहिँ रेस्क्यु गर्ने काम रेड क्रस सोसाइटीले गर्छ. द्याट इज द फङ्सन अफ, द्याट इज द वर्क अफ, द्याट इज द अब्जेक्टिभ अफ, द्याट इज द एक्टिभिटिज अफ रेड क्रस सोसाइटी. ओके, एन्ड रेस्क्यु दिस वार भिक्टिम्स, है, यस, the soldiers, innocent peoples, they are became these victims in the wars. So there are such types of the individuals were rescued by these members, by the volunteers of this Red Cross Society. These are the major work, major functions of this Red Cross Society. And not only this, provide this training, okay, on this first aid is training and the education and educate the people on this accident is preventions, okay, कसरी बच्ने and arrange for this ambulance services. So these are the major work, these are the major yes function of this Red Cross Society, which was established by yes Jane Henry Dunant, and it was established on yes 1863 from the Switzerland, okay. And in context to Nepal, it is established on 2020 BS, okay. Now this Scout, okay. Scout is also one of these renounced as well as this famous organization in all over the world, and it is founded by this Baden-Powell, okay. Baden-Powell is the citizen, he is from this England, okay, or you can say Britain, okay. The Baden-Powell, it is established on yes 1907 after this World War, okay, First World War, and he is this British yes citizen, okay. And many more yes children became this orphan, identityless, nationless, and there is great chance to such types of these children to verge means involve in this illegal work and activities or this drugs, okay. So that to provide them a new life, okay, to provide them yes education, okay, to provide them food, clothes, shelter, and to care them in this homely environment, and to make them yes discipline, and to make them yes what the moral in this future. The Baden-Powell, the broad-minded individual, okay, he yes brought the new concept how to save such types of the orphan children, and he begin by this 20 boys and 20 girls from this England at the beginning time, that is this Scout, and it is established in 1907 BS. In context to Nepal, it is established in 2009 BS. The date are very important for examination point of view, means that in 1953, in 1953 AD it is established in Nepal, means that in Nepali date in 2009 BS, okay, it was established in Nepal, and it also launched the various kinds of these programs, okay, and activities like it rescue the people from this natural disaster. Same age the Red Cross Society, this is the similar yes point that may that makes you this easy to yes write in this examination, and develop this provide this development work and activities, especially in this art, okay, and similarly skills, ability and discipline to these children. And it also is run this afforestation program, okay, the tree plantation program, okay. Such types of the work and activities and the functions that is done by this Scout, and similarly afforestation program, as well as it control this overcrowd, especially in these fairs, मेलाहरू है मा चाहिँ ओभरक्राउडहरूलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि कसरी मिनिमाइज गर्न सकिन्छ त्यस्ता चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गतिविधिहरू त रेड क्रस सोसाइटीहरूले सञ्चालन गर्छ, स्पेशली इन दिस पेरिफेरी अफ दिस पशुपतिनाथ, स्वयम्भूनाथ, okay, as well as the renowned as historical place and the temples, okay. Such types of the major work that has been done, okay, from the side of this Scout. The functions and the major activities are very important, and the date when it is established in Nepal, okay. Red Cross Society was established in Nepal in 2020, don't forget my dear student. And yes, in context to Nepal, this Scout was established in 2009 BS, okay. And similarly, there is one other international organization that is known as the SOS. The logo of the SOS, listen me nicely, the logo of Red Cross Society, the logo of Scouts are very important, and founder is member, okay. Their picture, their photos are very important for this examination point of view. Now let's discuss about this SOS, okay. SOS means save our soul, okay, हाम्रो आत्माको रक्षा गर, okay, means that it is established by this Dr. Hermann Gmeiner. It is established by Dr. Hermann Gmeiner. He is from this Austria. He belongs from this Austria. And after the Second World War, same as the Scout is established after the First World War, and Scout was established after this First World War, and SOS was established after the Second World War. SOS established after Second World War in 1949, and the founder is this Dr. Hermann Gambiner. He is from where? Austria. Okay, and many more such types of the Save Our Soul, okay, organizations in context to Nepal were established in this various places of this Nepal to provide this facility and family environment care to this orphan children's Nepalese orphan children, okay, identityless children, so that in context to Nepal Save Our Soul, okay, was established in the Sanothimi Bhaktapur. Okay. Not only this, it is established in the Chitwan also, Nepalganj, in Bhairava also near this airport, okay, and similarly as Surkhet. Okay. These are these places where this immense contributions and the work has been done from the side of this SOS, especially to this Nepalese orphan children. Okay. And what are the major function or the major work that has been done by this SOS? Now, first, the provide homely environment with the food, cloth, shelter as well as the education by providing, okay, mom and this aunt in each room inside this SOS village. Okay. Such types of this facilities are provided by this organization that is known as SOS. The founder is Dr. Hermann Gambiner. He is from what? Austria, and it is established on 1949. SOS established in 1949 and Scout was established in 1903. Okay. The now listen to me here. Provide this his homely environment with the common aunt and mother, provide the education for the bright future of these orphan children, and provide all types of the facilities so that the orphan never feel they are identityless, they are the orphan or they are this helpless. It also provide this training about this games and sports also, and provide the orthopedic facilities to these children. So these are the major work. Not only this, it gives the free education up to this +2 level. Okay. So these are the major work, major function, okay, that is conducted or provided by this SOS. The Red Cross Society, Scout and SOS are this international organization. They are actively working in context to Nepalese society in various area to provide various kinds of the facilities to this Nepalese people. Not only this, there are so many other organizations also. Yesterday also I told you that one question, many international, national, NGO and INGOs are working very actively in context to Nepal, but the problems are not solved as we expected. What's the reason? Such types of the questions are very, very important, my dear student. Okay. The Red Cross Society, Scout as well as SOS are this international organization. There are other international organizations also. Okay, they are actively working in Nepal. The first one is NORAD. It is very, very important for examination point of view, and most frequently it is asked NORAD. NORAD means Norwegian Agency for International Development. The full form are also very, very important for examination point of view, my dear student. So listen me carefully. The NORAD means NORAD. You must have to know the full form. The Norwegian Agency for International Development. Again, I am reciting NORAD, NORAD. Its full form is NORAD, Agency for International Development. Okay, Norwegian Agency for International Development. It is very, very important for examination point of view. It is given in this 10 set also. It is given in this 30 days practice as well as in this textbook question and answer. Very, very important. So mind this in your mind, my dear student. The NORAD means Norwegian Agency for Development, International Norwegian Agency for International Development. Okay, so its major work is that the functions are very, very important for examination point of view. The Norwegian Agency for International Development, it means this NORAD, its major function is work in the sectors of victims of women. है पीडामा परेका महिलाहरूको क्षेत्रमा महिलाहरूको हक र अधिकारलाई है बचाउने र अधिकार दिलाउने काम यसले गर्दछ. And not only this, it also provide the free legal service to this Nepalese women. So you must have to remember in the mind, my dear student, what are the function of international organization like the NORAD. Okay, Norwegian Agency for International Development. It work in the sectors of victims of women, पीडामा परेका, उत्पीडनमा परेका, महिला चाहिँ ज्यादती भएका घटनाहरूलाई कसरी चाहिँ किन समाधान गर्न सकिन्छ त्यस्तो क्षेत्रहरूमा महिलाहरूको हक र अधिकारको क्षेत्रमा यसले काम गर्छ, स्पेशली इन द नेपालिज सोसाइटी. So you must have to understand all these things. Not only this, provide the free legal service. है कानुनी चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि सेवाहरू, कानुनी चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि मतलब उपचारहरू है यसले प्रदान गर्ने काम गर्छ, स्पेशली टु द नेपालीज वुमेन. त द्याट इज द यस NORAD. NORAD means Norwegian Agency for International Development. NORAD, very very important for examination point of view, my dear student. And similarly there is next one, DIDA. What? DIDA. DIDA means Danish International Development Agency. DIDA, Danish International Development Agency. This is also very very important for examination point of view. DIDA, the Danish International Development Agency, it stands for, DIDA stands means full form. Okay, the Danish International Development Agency. NORAD means Norwegian Agency for International Development, and DIDA means Danish International Development Agency. So what it do in this Nepalese society, that must be our focus point. त यसले के गर्छ त, कुन प्रयोजन लिएर नेपाली समाजमा यसले काम गरिरहेको छ, that is the most important. Okay, so we must have to understand all these things. The DIDA means Danish International Development Agency. So it provide the financial and technical help. यसले financially plus technical help, especially those who are this disabled. Okay, the disabled को क्षेत्रमा यसले financially plus technically help प्रदान गर्छ. The function first. Now second function is that run training programs to the physical disability. Physical disability भएका नेपाली, हामी नेपालीहरू जति पनि छौं त्यो सेक्टर्समा यसले चाहिँ सेवाहरू प्रदान गरिरहेको छ. That is the mean of DIDA. DIDA means Danish International Development Agency. DIDA means Danish International Development Agency. NORAD means Norwegian Agency for International Development. The NORAD stands for, once again I am reciting, my dear student, it is very important, the Norwegian Agency for International Development. Now the next one is INF, International Nepal Fellowship, it means. Okay, the International Nepal Fellowship, it stands for International Nepal Fellowship. Its major function is that it runs the awareness program about the bad effects of drugs. And next one is that it rehabilitate the drug addicts and launch these awareness programs about the bad effects of drugs. Okay, it is also very very important for examination point of view. Many times it is also asked already in examination. Okay, and such questions are given in the 10 set. Obviously there is no doubt in this 30 days practice also, my dear student. Okay, and the next one is IUCN. Okay, IUCN means that it stands on International Union for Conservation of Nature. Hey, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources थियो पहिला यसको फंक्सन, र अहिले यसलाई छुट्याएर के भनिएको छ भने International Union for Conservation of Nature. So what is the major function, major objective of this IUCN? Okay, helps to protect this biodiversity. It launches the programs how to save the nature, how to save the biodiversity, how to save this environment, nature and natural resources. In such a criteria, in such a field, it used to work actively to save this environment, to save the nature, to save the biodiversity, and so on. Okay, and similarly, it helps to control the illegal hunting and the poaching. गैर कानुनी रूपमा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि जंगली जनावरहरूको शिकार गर्ने अनि तस्करीहरू गर्ने यस्ता जति पनि गतिविधिहरू विभिन्न देशहरूमा या नेपालमै सञ्चालित छन् त्यसलाई मिनिमाइज गर्ने क्षेत्रमा अहिले चाहिँ काम गर्छ IUCN. The IUCN means International Union for Conservation of Nature. Okay, and similarly there is the Plan Nepal, next organization. Plan Nepal and it do the care for these poor children, especially in Nepal. And there is the ILO, everybody know that, International Labour Organization. Okay, it helps to stop the child labor as well as recommend to the government to make this adjustable as what the law in favor of laborers, equal payment, okay, for these laborers, and helps to minimize or control this child labor. That is the ILO. And there is the Rotary International. This is also this organization. Actually, it used to work in these poor children of Nepal as well as the disability people of Nepal. Okay, not only this. Beside this, there are other organizations like this Asian Development Bank (ADB). Okay, similarly as World Bank, similarly European Union, World Food Programs, UNDP. Okay, and JCs, LEOs, Lions, clubs. All these are the international organizations who are actively working in the sectors of Nepalese society to minimize the various problems that is prevalent in this Nepalese society. So here is one question I brought you, my dear student. ILO. Okay, exam ma जुनसुकै यस्तो international organization लाई include गरेर question आइरहेको अवस्था छ. For example, here is one question I found you that. Yes. Okay. So yes, International Labour Organization, either NORAD, either DENIDA, either INF, okay, either yes UNDP, okay, either yes Rotary Club, okay, either yes World Food Programs, लाई include गरेर, okay, question may be asked you like this. Okay, my dear student, here is one question. International Labour Organization has been working, okay, in Nepal to end this child labor. है नेपालको चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि परिप्रेक्ष्यमा है बालबालिका चाहिँ जुन श्रमहरु चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि छ विभिन्न क्षेत्रहरुमा त्यसलाई हटाउनको लागि international organization has been working in Nepal to end this child labor. However, तर पनि okay, many children have been found working in industries, in rich people's house, listen me, okay, in factories, okay, as well as in this home as a child worker. What should be done for ending child labor? Like these, the question is asked in examination, my dear student. Okay. So once again the question, International Labour Organization, okay, yes, has been working in Nepal. म यो क्वेशन किन भनिरहेको छु त अहिले मैले यो प्रश्न किन लिएर आए त विद्यार्थीहरुको अगाडि त यसरी नै कुनै पनि अर्गनाइजेसनको लाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि इन्क्लुड गरेर यसरी क्वेशनहरु सोध्नु सक्छ यसरी नै क्वेशनहरु आइरहेको छ ओके त लिसन मी नाइसली माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट द इंटरनेशनल लेबर अर्गनाइजेसन हैज बीन वर्किङ इन नेपाल टु end this child labor. However, many children have been found working in industries as well as in this home of the rich people, businessmen. Okay, listen me here, this is true. In industry and the home as child workers. What should be done for this ending child labor? The ILO is the International Labour Organization. It is actively working how to minimize, how to eradicate, how to control the child labor. तर पनि विभिन्न फ्याक्ट्रीजहरुमा, गार्मेन्ट फ्याक्ट्रीजहरुमा, धागो फ्याक्ट्रीजहरुमा, अझै स्पेशली ब्रिक फ्याक्ट्री, इटा भट्टाहरु, ओके, होटलका चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि भान्साकोठाहरुमा यिनीहरुलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि काममा लगाइएको छ तर पनि यो चाहिँ के त चाइल्ड लेबर चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि अन्त्य हुन सकिरहेको छैन त यसलाई अन्त्य गर्नको लागि के गर्नुपर्छ लाइक दिस द क्वेशन मे बी आस्क्ड यू इन एक्जामिनेसन इट मे बी आस्क्ड यू छोएर सोधिन सक्छ आईएलओ लाई छोएर पनि सोधिन सक्छ वर्ल्ड फूड प्रोग्रामलाई छोएर पनि क्वेशन सोधिन सक्छ या कुनै पनि अर्गनाइजेसन लाई चाहिँ इन्क्लुड गरेर क्वेशन चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि आउन सक्छ इन एक्जामिनेसन त once again International Labour Organization has been working in Nepal to end this child labor. However, many children have been found to working in these industries, in textile factories, in this rich people's house and the businessmen, and as home as child workers. What should be done for ending this child labor? Like this, my dear student, the question may be asked you in examination. यसरी नै क्वेशन्सहरु क्रिएसन गरेर एक्जाममा सोधेको अवस्था छ त यस्तो क्वेशन्सहरु आयो भने कसरी हामीले चाहिँ आन्सर क्रिएट गर्ने त नाउ लिसन टु मी हियर पोभर्टी इज द बिग प्रब्लम हाम्रो देशमा गरिबी इज लाइक अ क्यान्सर प्रब्लम इट इज भेरी डिफिकल्ट टु केयर यसलाई सन्चो बनाउन एकदमै जटिल छ फर दिस माउथ टु ह्यान्ड बिहान के खाने साँझ के खाने सच टाइप्स अफ द फ्यामिलीज आर in Nepalese society so that most of the children are deprived from this right of this education, right of these schools. So they are compelled to work in these rich people's house, in the factories, in the brick factories, in the garment factories due to war this poverty. So that government as well as the concerned authority must have to launch the far-sighted plan, policy and the programs to eradicate, to minimize the problems of poverty. त यो गर्न जरुरी छ like this my dear student you must have to create what the answer in your examination. Okay, yes, and so similarly there should be the joint collaboration between this public and provide sectors to eradicate child labors in all areas. सबै क्षेत्रहरुबाट यसलाई मिनिमाइज गर्नको लागि सबै जना मिलेर हातेमालो गर्दै है अगाडि बढ्न चाहिँ जरुरी छ like this you must have to create the answer in examination if such types of the question are asked in this examination. Okay, next one is that the government should provide this basic necessities like the education, health, settlement etc for this poor and this needy people. जति पनि चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि पुअर र चाहिँ के त needy peoples हरु छन् उनीहरुलाई certain package from the side of the government should be distribute, then only more or less we can minimize the child labor from the Nepalese society. Like this my dear student you must have to create the answer in examination. Right now I recited you that कुनै पनि अर्गनाइजेसन्स हरुलाई है छोएर या रिलेटेड गराएर क्वेशन जसरी पनि सोध्न सक्छ like these questions. Okay, ILO एक्टिभ भएर काम गरिरहेको छ चाइल्ड लेबर चाहिँ मिनिमाइज गर्नको लागि तर पनि चाइल्ड लेबर हट्न सकेको छैन यसलाई हटाउनको लागि के गर्नुपर्छ अथवा के कारणले गर्दाखेरि हट्न सकेको छैन like this कुनै पनि अर्गनाइजेसनलाई छोएर क्वेशन सोधिन सक्छ. and plus in this lesson pictures are very very important. Okay, the photo of this Jane Henry Dunant, he is from this Switzerland I told already. Baden Powell, he is from this Britain, England, बेलायत भन्छ आज. ओके, त उनको चाहिँ के त फोटो सोधिन सक्छ. कुनै पनि एउटा व्यक्तिको ठुलो मतलब चाहिँ के जुङा है दारी भएर सोधेको छ भने त्यो आइडिया. ओके, ही इज दिस जेन हेनरी डुनान्ट र क्याप लगाएको एउटा मान्छे ठुलो क्याप लगाएको हेट लगाएको है र यसरी चाहिँ एकदम आर्म फोल्ड गरेको छ आएको छ भने ही इज बाडेन पावेल. टेक द आइडिया विथ मी. ओके, लाइक दिस यू मस्ट हैव टू रिकग्नाइज. एन्ड डाक्टर हार्मन ग्यामिनर अलिकति तालु खुइले यहाँनिर बाल छैन. ओके, like this you must have to recognize. This is the idea. Take with me. Okay my dear student, त्यस्तो पिक्चरहरु बढी सोधिरहेको अवस्था छ. and when such organizations are established in context to world also, in context to Nepal also, the such types of the questions are very very important. Okay, and there is 2 point once again, and similarly the government should provide these basic necessities like this education, health, settlement etc to these poor and these needy children. Then only we can minimize, we can control the child labor from the Nepalese society. And whatever these fundamental and these legal provisions that is mentioned in the law against the child labor, that should be implemented effectively. कानुन बनाएर मात्रै समाजको सोशल प्रब्लमहरु समाधान हुँदैन, त्यसको लागि के गर्नुपर्छ are also the most important question in examination. Okay, so that whatever the fundamental and the legal provisions are there in the constitution, in the act, okay, in the law, that should be implement effectively, correctly. Okay, then only we can minimize what the child labor. So like this my dear student, you must have to create what answer. And question is asked like this also, write the full form. Listen here, like this the questions are asked in examination. Write the full form and any two functions, oh yes, of each organization given below. भनेर नोर्याड पनि सोध्न सक्छ, दुईटा अर्गनाइज या डिडा पनि सोध्न सक्छ या आईएनएफ पनि सोध्न सक्छ, और मेबी यस आईयूसीएन अल्सो. कुनै पनि दुईटा अर्गनाइजेसन को फुल फर्म लेख्नुहोस् र तिनीहरूले गर्ने दुईटा कार्यहरू उल्लेख गर्नुहोस्. लाइक दिस माई डियर स्टुडेन्ट, क्वेसन्स आर आस्क्ड इन दिस एक्जामिनेसन, देयर इज नो डाउट. त यसमध्ये पढिसकेपछि कुनै पनि दुईटा इन्टरनेसनल अर्गनाइजेसन लेख्न सक्नु पर्यो. उनीहरूले गर्ने चाहिँ एकदम काम, क्रियाकलाप, फङ्सन, अब्जेक्टिभ दुईटा चाहिँ मेन्सन गर्नु पर्यो. फर इक्जाम्पल, वन्स अगेन नोर्याड, भेरी भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर एक्जामिनेसन पोइन्ट अफ भ्यू. त नोर्याड स्ट्यान्ड्स भनेको फुल फर्म, नर्वेगियन एजेन्सी फर इन्टरनेसनल डेभलपमेन्ट. वन्स अगेन, नर्वेगियन एजेन्सी फर इन्टरनेसनल डेभलपमेन्ट. नर्वे भनेको एउटा कन्ट्री छ इन युरोप, त्यहीँबाट इस्टाब्लिस भएको अर्गनाइजेसन भन्ने कुरा बुझ्नु पर्यो विद्यार्थीहरूले. माई डियर स्टुडेन्ट, the Norwegian Agency for International Development, it stands for, or its full form, and it work in the sectors of victims of women and provide the free legal service to the Nepalese women. These are the function of NORAD, means Norwegian Agency for International Development. And DIDA, Danish International Development Agency, it provides the financial and the technical help, run training programs, especially in the sectors of physical disability. And INF, International Nepal Fellowship, it works in the sectors of drug addicts, means that it rehabilitates drug addicts and launch awareness programs about this bad effects of drugs. That is the INF, International Nepal Fellowship. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, full form bhai thaha cha. It helps to promote and preserve this biodiversity, natural resources. And similarly, there is this Plan Nepal, care the poor children. ILO, stop the child labor, and recommend to this concerned authority to preserve the right of these laborers. Equal payment for this same job, either male or female. And similarly, Rotary Club International, it looks after this poor and this disabled. All these are these international organizations and their functions. The Red Cross Society, founded by Jane Henry Dunant in 1863. Scout, founded by Baden Powell. एक्जाममा एउटा व्यक्तिले एउटा हेट लगाएको छ, हेट टोपी लगाएको छ भने he is Baden Powell. Robert Baden Powell, he is from this Britain. यसरी बुझ्नु पर्यो. एउटा व्यक्ति जसको चाहिँ दारी र जुङ्गा एकदमै ठुलो छ, त्यस्तो व्यक्तिहरू कोही पनि छैन भनेपछि को त? Jane Henry Dunant. And similarly SOS, फाउन्डरलाई कसरी चिन्ने? डाक्टर हर्मन ग्यामिनरलाई कसरी चिन्ने त भन्दाखेरि बुढो मान्छे साइडमा बच्चाले लिएर बसेका छन्, तालु खुइले छन्, त्यस्तो पिक्चर आयो भने के बुझ्नु पर्यो? डाक्टर हर्मन ग्यामिनर. In this way you must have to understand, you create the answer in examination. And thank you very much my dear student and my parents who are watching to me, and this much for today. And I will come tomorrow in the same time. Stay at the home, be safe and have a good day. Thank you very much.